Hi, welcome to Urbanización Los Jararillos. We are located here in the Benahavís area on north of San Pedro de Alcántara. This gated urbanization is composed of several townhouses with an astonishing view on Costa del Sol. Come with me and let me introduce you the property we have here. Please, follow me. So, this is the property we have here in Urbanizaciones Los Jararillos. This townhouse is composed of 3 different floors. The first one we're going to introduce you right now is a living area. On the second floor you have all the bedrooms, and on the third one you have a big solarium with magnificent views on the seashore. Also you have a little private garden and little swimming pool outside of the community swimming pool that you can find. Come with me, right now I'm going to introduce you to the kitchen. So as you can see, we have a very brand new and modern kitchen. It's totally fully equipped, and it has like this very American vibe where it's completely open to the living room. You have this incredible island in the middle, which makes it perfect while someone is prepping food, snacks, whatever, to have your friend around and or family and have a little glass of wine or else meanwhile. Come with me, I'll show you the living room. So, this is the first living room. As you can see, it's very traditional, a little bit rustic style with all this old wood, this big leather sofa, which make it ideal to spend a little bit of time with friends and family, to read a book, to have a conversation, or why not to enjoy the beautiful warmth of a chimney and during the winter season. Here we have the dining area with this incredible massive wooden table. It's ideal for any kind of lunch, dinner, anything else you want. Imagine sitting here and every morning you wake up, you have a breakfast with this incredible view on Marbella and the Mediterranean Sea. Can't be a better way to start the day, right? Now here we arrive to a second part of the living room, which is like to call the cinema area in a way. So as you can see, you have a huge flat screen and a very comfortable sofa. This is the best way to watch any movie or your favorite series on Netflix or Amazon Prime. If you want the perfect way to finish the day in a very, very relaxing way. Now, if you follow me, I'll show you a little bit about the little private garden we have here and the swimming. So here we are in one of my favorite spots of this property, but I like to call it the chill area. You have a couple of chairs, tables, and this brilliant private swimming pool with those excellent, magnificent view. So the perfect spot for me to end up the day here, because you're kind of southwest oriented. You will have all afternoon sun and you can enjoy beautiful sunsets. Look at this view. So here we are on the second floor where we have all the bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We have 2 guest bedrooms, 1 bedroom with 2 single beds, 1 bedroom with 1 large double bed, and 1 shared bathroom with a bath and separate shower. Now let me introduce you a little bit to the master bedroom and its incredible views from the terrace. Here we are in the master bedroom. As you can see, we have our own private bathroom with a shower and bath. We have a lot of storage, and we have also this king size double bed. So you can see there's always art all over this place, which gives this a little special touch. Now come with me, let me introduce you to the terrace and this wonderful view with direct access from the master bedroom. So from this private terrace with direct access from the master bedroom, we'll also have a direct access from one of the guest rooms. You can enjoy wonderful mornings. You can have a little bit of sun, you can just chill out or whatever. But imagine you wake up every day, every morning, and you just have access to this. Isn't this the best way to start your day? So here we have on the last floor the solarium, another open area for you to enjoy. As you can see, you can perfectly have here a drink, a snack with your friend, enjoy the beautiful sunset that the Costa del Sol has to offer you, and to relax and enjoy once again this breathtaking view on Costa del Sol. We are now in the private garden with the community swimming pool. As you can see, it's a way more open area. It's decorated with a lot of tropical flowers, to say so, and it's perfect to enjoy this awesome weather that we have all year long here in Costa del Sol. The swimming pool, by the way, is open all year, so feel free to come, enjoy and relax. So, this is the property we have in Los Jarerillos. The perfect place if you want to stay quiet, relax and enjoy all the beautiful nature that Costa del Sol that can bring us. Look at this magnificent views of the mountain, the magnificent view of the coast. What are you waiting for? You want more information about this property? Contact us. We'll give you and we'll show it to you with great pleasure. See you.